Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a cleaning video. I'm going to clean out my purse that I carry daily and also the school bag that I carry with me daily. This isn't like an in-depth video of everything that I carry with me to school. This is basically just the little essentials that I carry with me when I go, and then just my everyday purse that I just have to have with me. Yeah. So if you're interested in seeing what is in my updated bag and school bags, then just keep watching. And don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Okay, so I moved to a different spot. I feel like you need a new scenery in my videos. I'm always recording over by my makeup area. And my daughter is recording a video right now behind us.
I always do my makeup every day.
Look at her little setup.
Because I always do my makeup.
She's repeating everything I say.
Every day.
It's okay. Say hi, Kylie.
Hi.
I'm just going to put this bag up here. And whatever I keep, I'm going to put in that bag. For some reason, I've been carrying around all of my Oracle cards and tarot deck. I only have one tarot deck. It's the Wild Unknown tarot deck. In case you care to see what they look like. Very thick, 72 card deck. Very pretty cards. I don't do these as much as the Oracle cards because the tarot is kind of a lot to learn, and I'm still kind of learning it. I've been doing it as much though because I've been sick and had a headache. These two are my favorite. The Work Your Light, I just talked about this one in my other video, and this one is more inspiring, an inspiration deck.
I'm going to be right back and go back to my video.
Like I said, all of these decks have been in my school bag in case I wanted to practice while I'm at school because it gets kind of boring. I have some Mucinex DM because I am sick, the nasty cold. That's going in my purse. Those cards I'm not putting back in my bag. They're just going to stay at home because I'm kind of, it takes up a lot of space. I don't have much space in my little pink bag. And they're really heavy. Like, it's a lot of cards. One last deck. It stays in this Victoria's Secret bag. It is the Nomad Oracle. So before I got the Work Your Light Oracle, this was my favorite Oracle deck. Beautiful cards. And whenever I would read these, they would relate a lot to my life. Have a round brush with hair all in it. This will go inside my school bag. So here's the school bag. I'm just going to put this hairbrush in it, a comb, clips, a little pin. So this talks about how to read tarot cards. Every tarot deck has the same concept and meanings. Just different pictures and different ways of presenting the image. But this book has all the images from the Star Child deck and talks about what each card means. So in my free time I will read this, or if I'm doing tarot, I'll look into this book. So I'm going to put this in my school bag, not in my purse. School bag. Two magazines that I bought yesterday. It is a hairstyle guide. I didn't even know, I've always been looking, but I've been looking for hairstyle magazines to like keep me motivated at school and to stay up to date on like the new trends. And I came across this at CVS, so I'm really thinking about subscribing to this so I can get the latest updates and the latest tips and what's going on in the beauty community. But it just has a bunch of hairstyles in it, the latest trends for hair, hair color. Basically the hairstylist magazine. If you're in cosmetology, this is the perfect magazine for you. And the other day I got a new water bottle because mine broke. This is just an Cricket's bottle. I think I was vlogging and recorded this, but I haven't uploaded that vlog yet. It's like a pretty pink sparkly bottle. School bag. Alright, I got a bunch of pins and lipsticks and brushes. Got 3 makeup brushes. These are going to go in my makeup bag. I've showed you guys this bag before. It is literally my favorite makeup bag. It works so well. Such a good size, very compact, and I put this in my purse.
Really, why do you do that? You know?
Some Too Faced lip plumper. There's hair on everything. Some just regular lipstick. This is going to go in my front pockets. Pins, another makeup. So these are my favorite pins ever. They're Paper Mate.
My pin's your favorite pin.
They work so good. They have a little heart on them. They're so cute. These pins are just going to go in my front pocket as well. Some dry shampoo. The My Amazing Blow Dry Secrets. It's a little small dry shampoo. This works really, really good. Is this focused? There you go. That's going in my purse. Okay, so a bunch of butterfly clips. I don't really find myself using these as much. I normally use the crocodile clips.
Totally.
These are just going to go in my school bag. Okay, I got 3 lotions. This is a healing dry repair. I don't know why this is not focusing. It's making me so angry. A healing repair lotion for your body. I really hope this is focusing. I don't think it is. Okay, there it goes. And that smells really, really good. It's going in my purse. And then Angel's Only Body Lotion. I've been finding myself trying to use my older lotions to get rid of them and go so they're not going to waste. Because I have so many. I'm going to put this in my school bag. And then I have this little body cream, body butter. It's, oh my gosh, I got this in a BoxyCharm. It smells so good. So freaking good. I'm obsessed with it. It's weird. I'm going to put this in my purse. And I have some VI poo for whenever you guys poop and you don't want to stink. Is that funny? And then I took this I Like Big Buns container that is supposed to carry hair ties. I put some cough drops in it. So it's just a little beauty hack for you. That's going in my purse. Some anxiety medicine that's going in my purse. And then I have my vacuum charger for work, which that needs to go in my purse. I have a little gift card with $2 on it that's going to go in my wallet. It's right here. This is my wallet I've been using. I got this from Title's Closet. Very thick wallet, which I like going in my purse. I keep having to stop and delete footage because my memory card is full. Last Oracle decks. This is a really big one, which is really fun to use because they're such big cards. These are just oil paintings kind of card deal. Let me know if you guys want like an in-depth tutorial. I know this is a beauty channel, but if you want to see like my card collection, I will gladly make one of those for you. Earlier, none of these are going to go in my purse. They're just going to get put up. Now this deck is Notes from the Universe, a 60 card deck. It's an inspirational deck. It's not an oracle deck or anything like that. But on the one side, they have a really in-depth quotes. And then on the other side, they have just really short, pretty inspirations with a pretty background. So let's just, for instance, let's just pull a card for inspiration today. Okay, so this one popped out. There's a deeper reason for each of your questions. Seek it. That's the front, and then the back. says, guidance, attention, help, maybe, love always. Criticism, never. The question was, what to give others, if anything at all. Isn't it fun being you? So that was the card. I think, I don't know, it's between this deck and that other deck. I know I said I'm not going to take any with me, but sometimes it's just nice to have some inspiration with you. I think these ones are easier to shuffle because they're matte compared to the notes from the Notes from the Universe. They're kind of shiny, so they're kind of harder to shuffle. I don't know, I'll figure that out later. All that is in, well, there's trash, the rest is trash. There's nothing else to put in there besides wrappers. So this is the little pink school bag that I use. I have several different bags actually that I've used, and I keep switching out throughout the year. I have my big purple rolly bag with my tools in it, if you guys want to see, and I don't think I've made a video of that yet. I think I'm going to though. I might do that later tonight, make a video of my Cosmetology suitcase. But this is just, I always have just a regular bag to put little stuff in that I use throughout the day compared to my purse, which is like my personal stuff. Because I gotta have both. I gotta have like my school stuff that I use and then my personal items. So I find myself using this purse a lot because it's so big, which is so cute. I put this little dangly thing and it has some, I don't know what it's called, rope looking things. It has two handles. You can hold it like this, or you can use the long one, which I like how it has both. You can have different options. Lots of space. My main reason why I started cleaning my purse is I'm looking for my tweezers and I still haven't found them, so I'm really upset. No, I bought new tweezers and I can't find them. I guess I'm gonna end this video. Thank you guys for watching, and if you're not subscribed, make sure to the subscribe button. And also, my daughter is making YouTube videos at 3 years old. I'm thinking about posting it. I don't know. We'll find out. But if I do make her a little channel, I'll let you guys know. Hope you enjoy this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.